1947, the independence. On 15th August 1947, India became free after years of struggle and sacrifice. A new nation began its journey. Our freedom became the foundation of a new India.
1950, the Constitution. On 26 January 1950, India became a republic. Our Constitution gave us the principles of justice, liberty, equality, and democracy. It gave every citizen a voice and a place in the nation.
The Green Revolution 1960s. India once struggled to produce enough food for its own country. The Green Revolution transformed the India's agriculture and helped the country to move forward for food security. Our farmers played an important role in development of our country.
1975, India reaches space. In 1975, India launched its first satellite Aryabhatta, which was the beginning of a remarkable journey into space.
1991, Economic Transformation. In 1991, India began a major economic transformation. New opportunities opened for industries, businesses and entrepreneurs. India began becoming most connected to global economy.
2000, the digital revolution. India entered the digital age. Technology transformed the way we communicate, learn, work and do business. Today, India's digital innovation connect millions of people every day.
2020s, the India on the world stage. The India has emerged as the major force in technology, science, sports and innovations. From global businesses to the young startups, Indian talent is making its mark across the world. Our achievements are far beyond our borders.
2026 journey continues. 80 years have passed since independence, but 80 years is not the end of our story. It is a milestone in our journey. The India of tomorrow is being built by us today.
80 years of freedom, 80 years of dreams, challenges and achievements. And now, the next chapter belongs to us. Jai Hind!
80 years of independence, one journey. The past inspires us, the future awaits us, the journey continues. Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind.